Hello student, now we have next question that you can see here. The two equal charges placed in air and separated by a distance of 2 meters repel each other with a force of 10 to the power minus 4 kgf. Calculate the magnitude of either of charges. Now we can see that suppose there are 2 points. Okay, this is the A and this is the B. Okay, at point A here is charge Q1 and another is Q2. Okay, what is the distance between them? Here is the 2 meters. Okay, 2 meter is that. But condition is that due to the same charge both are repel each other, means the direction of this force is like that and this force direction is like that, because you know that if there is the same pole then there will be repulsion. Is it clear? And if there is the different, on that case here will be the attraction. Is it clear? So that's why okay, we can see here like as here if there is the same pole, so definitely it will be repelled. Okay, it will be repelled. And according to these questions, what we can write here, the condition is that one more thing is that two equal charge is placed. The magnitude of charge here is suppose that Q1 equal to Q and Q2 equal to Q, and we have to calculate the what is magnitude of charge whenever these two charge is placed at its distance of 2 meters. What is given here? Given here F1. No, here is the Q1. Q1 equal to Q and that is equal to Q2. So we can also write here Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q. Okay. And what is the value of distance? That is R equal to 2 meters. Force is given. What is the value of force? 10 to the power minus 4 kgf. Okay. But what is the value of kgf? You have to remove. Okay, and you will write in the unit of force. What is the unit of force? Newton. Okay, so you will write here 10 to the power minus 4 into 9.8. That will be the Newton. Is it clear? Okay, you have to calculate Q is equal to question mark. But we have formula according to Coulomb's law in electrostatic. We have studied that since F, what is this is placed in air. F air equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the formula. Okay, and you can put the value F air equal to, you can write here air also. Okay, the value of F air is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 into 9.8 equal to, what is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into, you can write here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, this value you will put here because epsilon naught equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. This is the value Newton meter. Okay, Newton meters per Coulomb. Now you see that you can put here. So here will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, at the place of Q1 Q, into here will be Q also. R square, that is the 2 whole square. Okay. Now you can write here 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 equal to, multiply this one, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square. Okay, divided by 4, cross multiply this one. Then you will write here 9.4 into 9.8 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square. Therefore, Q square equal to, you can write 9.8 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. This you will write. You can write upwards. So here will be, and you can divide this one also. Okay. So you will write here, or you can remove this. Okay. Decimal. Then here will be 10. Okay, so Q square equal to, multiply this one, 8 4 ja 32 8 4 जा 32, balance 3, 9 4 जा 36, and 3 39, and 10 to the power minus 4 divided by, here will be 9 into 10 to the power 10. Okay, can we write here? And this square you will adjust, so here will be q equal to root under 392 into 10 to the power, here is minus 4 and here is 10, so this will shift upwards, so here will be minus 14 and here will be 9, 8 upwards. Now you can divide this one. Okay, then what will be q equal to, if you will divide, then here will be 9 4 ja 36. Okay, 9 4 ja 36, here will be 3 and 2, 9 3 ja 27 point, what will be, here will be 6, 9 5 ja approx into 10 to the power minus 40. You can remove this square root, so here will be q is equal to 43 approx. What you can write here, find out the square root, so about you can write 6 6 ja 36, that means the 6.6 into 10 to the power will half, so here will be minus 7, and what is the unit of charge? Coulomb. Okay, so C you can write. Okay students, I think that you are able to see this one. Okay, very good, so you can write this one. Thank you.